Hi everyone, we are in Khanna and Khushbu over here said the only thing interesting in Khanna is Khushbu Khaitan and house number 100 in which we are. And so you are looking at the most interesting corner of Khanna just now. And Khushbu has a few questions for me and I told her you can ask me anything. So she's going to ask me anything. I have no idea what I'm going to answer because I have no idea what the questions are. So go ahead.
Hello, welcome to Khanna. We're so happy that you could be here and so happy that you could take out the time and answer all of the random questions that are going on in my head. So I'll start with something very simple and very random again. I want to ask that is being busy a real thing or is it just something that we made up to feel important?
Good question. So there is something called action addiction where you go from one task to the next task to the next task to the next task to the next task and you are so busy, but at the end of the day you are exhausted and you have accomplished nothing. If this is you, then you have to see why it is happening, and the answer is more in your physiology than anywhere else. There is a brain chemical called dopamine. And dopamine is the most addictive substance known. It's more addictive than cocaine and heroin, all those things bundled multiplied by 10,000. Like it's so addictive that when rats had their dopamine centers activated whenever they pressed a lever, they kept pressing the lever, refusing to eat food which was next to them until they collapsed out of sheer exhaustion. Okay, and when the dopamine centers were deactivated, rats actually starved to death even though the food is next to them. So the dopamine is what? It is something that makes you get up and keep going.
Yes.
Okay, one of the things. Now what is happening with you or with anybody who has this action addiction is you have become used to cheap dopamine. So one thing you have to understand about all of us is that we are all drug addicts. Only thing that particular drug is being made by the brain and it is just a tremendous high. Okay, so dopamine is secreted when you expect something to happen, the anticipation, and also you get a little squirt when it happens.
Correct.
Okay, so now what are you doing the whole day? You are doing, okay, I answered the email, I opened my Instagram, I checked.
Correct.
You know, I went to a random website that was suggested by a friend and ordered a dress.
Exactly.
You know, I ordered Manam chocolates. So you've done all these little things. As far as your brain is concerned, they are tick marks.
Exactly.
Done. So you are getting that dopamine.
Yes.
And that is making you very happy. The problem with that is you lose sight of the bigger things you want in your life. Because you have become used to action addiction, because you have become used to cheap dopamine, you are stagnating. There will be times, I am sure, when you will feel, what am I doing? What's going on here? And then suddenly one notification and you get distracted again. So now how to use this biology for yourself? So take some time out. Okay, half an hour, 1 hour, maybe over even a period of a few days, and sit and figure out what do you truly want in your life. What is it that will genuinely make you happy? Okay, and I'm sure it is going to be some really big thing. So then you take that really big thing and break it into projects, and then take those projects and break them into tasks, and then today do one task. So now you are actively moving towards the big thing you want in your life. And as you keep getting those tasks done and as the projects get done, you keep getting the dopamine.
Yes.
Which is what the dopamine was originally designed for.
Yes.
And suddenly that thing that you have wanted, you have manifested it. Because you are using your biology to support you. And you are not becoming a puppet of the biology.
Correct. 100%.
Right? Now when you understand this system, You can make conscious choices. You can catch yourself, is this cheap dopamine or is this really moving the needle for me into what I truly want in my life?
Is
Right?
it those small to-do lists of like just making the bed, which was already a part of our lifestyle before, but now we've started creating those to-do lists so that we get those cheap dopamine every day.
Correct.
So that needs to be
Yeah.
100%. My second question to you would be, from Opus 4.8 to Fable 5, every single day the world of probably AI, pop culture, it's moving at such a fast pace that I feel like every person in our generation is just feeling left behind all the time. How do we slow down? How do we not feel left behind even though we're doing everything in our power to make sure we're making the most out of the day, right? But we still sleep with this feeling that there's something left, there's something that's not done enough. How do we balance this?
When you are clear about what it is that you want in your life, then you are clear about what tools you require. If what you want in life is getting accomplished by tool X, you don't get turned on by tool Y, Z, A, B, C coming. Because your work is getting done. That is the point.
Yeah.
There are so many different models out there. There are so many different technologies out there. Right? It's like you want to go to the market. You have a car. Now, do you go and go through the catalog of all the cars available just to go to the market? No, you use your car, you go, you come back, you're done. You don't care that, okay, Toyota has released a new car and Mahindra has now released still another car. And you don't care. Your work is done. You have to go to the market, come back. In the same way, don't be a slave to the technology. Don't be a slave to the innovation that is continuously happening. If something is working for you, use it. When you feel that, oh, this is slowing down, by all means explore at that point. You feel that your car is broken down, there is a puncture, it keeps happening, you know, it is guzzling like 50 liters of petrol every 10 minutes.
Correct.
Then it's a good time to look for another car. For sure. So don't feel left behind when you are actually moving towards what you want.
Yeah.
Because there are always going to be n number of distractions around you. 1,000 things will call for your attention. You know, I was reading a statistic the other day. They said that in the 1800s, the information that a human being would get in their lifetime, we are getting in one day.
Exactly.
And it's just like 100 and something years since then. Evolution is slow. Our brains cannot upgrade at that speed.
Exactly.
So take what is useful. I used to feel the exact same thing. I enjoy technology. And every morning, okay, Opus 4.5 to 4.6. And then suddenly ChatGPT X to Y. And then 4.6 to 4.7. And then suddenly there will be something open AI, open art, whatever, mid journey.
10 different ways
10
of
different
using
ways.
AI in a more efficient way.
Yeah. You have to understand a lot of these people who are making these AI videos are just making them for views. So even in this, no, pick some 3 or 4 people who are putting proper content out. Follow only those. And when Instagram serves you other people because you are following that particular topic, scroll. Otherwise, what was supposed to make you productive will make you confused and miserable.
Exactly.